Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In this video, we bring to you the container design Lofts, a shipping container ecological apartment in Uruguay built with 4 shipping containers. Stay tuned to find out more about these modern ecological container lofts. If you are looking for modern floor plans for container homes, a weekly update on case studies for most influential shipping container homes from around the world, plus detailed articles from our building guide for shipping container homes, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more weekly videos. Check out our website sheltermode.com for lots of free resources, modern floor plans, and blueprints. If you like our videos plus our valuable content on shipping container living, feel free to support our channel on Patreon through the link in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. These are one-of-a-kind luxurious shipping container lofts made from piled-up shipping containers. The lofts are set within a dense pine tree forest just meters away from pristine beaches of Uruguay. The apartments are made from 4 bright red shipping containers stacked on 2 levels to create a 2-story building with 4 luxurious apartments. An external wooden staircase with a wired railing connects to the 2nd story of the building. Each loft opens onto a private 12-meter wide wooden deck fronting the apartments. The large outdoor spaces create enjoyable outdoor living that connects the visitors directly with the environment. The lower apartments have a view of the garden, the forest, and the sea, while the top apartments offer gorgeous marine views and brilliant night skies. The deck is sheltered and supported on wooden poles all around to complement the industrial language of the design. The apartment interiors contrast the corrugated steel exterior with state-of-the-art fittings and finishes. The luxurious loft apartments have been tastefully decorated with 50s and 60s furniture that the host collected herself and refurbished through the years. Each apartment is made up of a double bedroom, a living room, a small kitchen, and a bathroom, perfect for couples or small families. The kitchenettes are small and fully furnished with all the essentials to make them functional. There is a fridge, a microwave, a coffee maker, a blender, and lots of storage, plus a small kitchen island. The wooden decks also provide adequate outdoor space to enjoy outdoor dining. The use of color and colored prints on fabrics, upholstery, and furniture pieces against the mainly white interior backdrop makes the rather small loft spaces to pop. The bedrooms are fitted with queen-sized beds with unique bedside stools and lampshades of different designs. The bathrooms are not an exception. They are modern spaces fitted with high-quality fittings. The showers are fully tiled floor to ceiling with glass cubicles. The bathrooms also have a toilet, towel holders, and adequate storage. The most notable feature inside these apartment lofts is the amount of light in each space. The lofts are fitted with big sliding glass windows on the upper story, plus floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors opening directly onto the decks on both levels. The interior walls and ceilings show no indication of shipping containers anywhere. Like any other traditional house, the interiors are dry-walled and painted white to make the space appear bigger, helping to kill the claustrophobic feel of living inside shipping container boxes. The large-sized doors and windows provide adequate daylighting to create a feeling of airiness, openness, and spaciousness. The original container plywood floors have been retained throughout the interior to bring out the industrial vibe of the design on the indoors. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior and are painted deep red. To enhance the energy efficiency, the lofts are designed and fitted with a solar water heater on the roof to supply hot water to the apartments. In addition, all the areas are illuminated by low-energy LEDs. The lofts are nestled with a self-sustaining garden featuring local plants and also offering outdoor activities such as a fire pit for cooking, a small waterfall with a Buddha, and a bubbling jacuzzi nestled within the grasses, perfect for enjoying a relaxing afternoon after a day at the beach. In addition, there is a grill in a separate area that is covered with a pergola and a large wooden dining table, ideal for intimate dinner parties. There is also a vegetable patch which grows different kinds of vegetables, edible flowers, and aromatic herbs used for cooking meals in the specially designed outdoor wooden fire. The container design lofts offer the perfect secluded eco-friendly accommodation to help you disconnect from everyday life and reconnect with nature. This amazing eco-container loft is listed on many rental websites with rates in $120 per night per apartment. We love the interior decor and finishes in each of these amazing container lofts. Which part of this amazing container rental appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. If this is the first time you are watching a video from our YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, our YouTube channel is a one-stop shop for a complete guide on how to design, how to build, how to insulate, and a collection of hundreds of blueprints for container homes designs. In addition, we also cover case studies of the best homes made from shipping containers from around the world. For this and more, feel free to subscribe and remember to click on the bell so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing weekly videos. You can also contact us on our website sheltermode.com or follow us on social media platforms through the links in the description below.